we are going, the article, like in English we say a and the article. I am very confused, to be honest. In English I was very confused, but in Tibetan very easy. You don't need, there's no difference in Tibetan. This have to know. In Tibetan it's quite easy, but you have to, in Tibetan the difficulties is that when you speak, you don't need to you don't need to follow that very particular grammar when you speak. But you write, of course, you have to follow grammar, yeah. But when you speak, as I told you before, when we talking about genitive, at that time you say ka nga, suffix, suffix ka nga always brings ki, right? Kakiku ki, because it's a grammatically. But otherwise, all are same. Whether you put kakiku ki or kayata chakiku ki, kakiku ki, all give a same meaning because of the grammar, the suffix. Because suffix depends on the male, female, and neutral, all this. That's why they, match each other. Female to female, male to female, like that, and male to male. So it depends on this grammar. That's why you have to, understand that. Otherwise, giving a same meaning. For example, like kong ki, right? We say kong because this suffix is nga. That's why the particle is ki. Kong ki. Kong ki. Nyugu samata mayata nyashakyu nyu gashakyu nyugu. His pen, right? But if we don't write this and we write kongki nyugu, giving a same meaning. Kongki nyugu, kongki nyugu, kongki nyugu, kongki nyugu, or kongyi nyugu. All are same meanings because different suffix, brings different particle. That's the only. Otherwise, same meaning. You have to understand which suffix brings which particle. That is the important in the Tibetan. Okay, so here also same now. There's a three kind of particle, but all work same. There's not like this different. Yeah, this in Tibetan, let's say the particles are chik. The sounds pronounced like a one, chik. If you put here ka, then it become a one, yeah. But we don't put it here. This is a particle, so chik and shik. Shik, shik. Okay, and then shik, shakiku shiga shik. Chik. You repeat after me. Chik, shik, shik. Shakiku shiga shik, shakiku shiga shik, shakiku shiga shik. Okay. All this works same. Not in English, I don't know. In English, there's a different, how to say, use rate, 1% something. But in Tibetan, it's the same. Just why this three? Because of this suffix. Because of the suffix, different particle. Otherwise, only this one can same meaning. All articles, can show this one meaning from one particle. But because of the suffix, that's why it's become different. Okay. So now I will show the suffix. Which one? Ka. Okay. Ta. Pa. Sa. Yeah. Kata pasa. Suffix ka, ta, pa, sa always brings chik. Chik. Okay, this one. And the suffix na, ma, a, ra, la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And this brings number second, Shakigu Shiga Shik. Shik. Okay. And the rest, this all are actually the 10 suffix, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. This is not sa here. I'm so sorry. Katapa. Yeah. Katapa. These three, ka, ta, pa, always bring chik. And now how many suffix left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now one suffix left, right? Sa. Only one left, sa. Sa suffix always brings shik. Okay, shik. So this you have to understand now. You have to understand 10 suffix, right? 10 suffix always, working. 10 suffix 1, 2, 3. Ka, ta, pa, always bring chik. Na, na, ma, a, ra, la, always bring shik. And only sa bring shik. Shik always come this. Sa, not come this. So this article works as in English as a and the. There's no Tibetan. It's not like a different and the. No, just these three same work. They all are work same. Now you will understand when I make a sentence. Okay. Okay. Now, did you already write down or not? Good. You please write down this. Now I will make this sentence, so you will understand. Okay, so I will write it here. Keep, sheep, sheep. Okay, these three articles you have to understand that. Okay, let's say Kong, but don't expect same as English. Okay, don't expect that in Tibetan. It's not going exactly same as the English. Doesn't work, but it's very similar. That's why we say that. So if you are thinking that how this is not exactly is going in English, it doesn't work like that. Okay, Kong tau gan naru gun na gun. Kong gunpa, right? Gunpa, how can we what? Gunpe, right? Gunpe, what? Monasteries, teacher, Gigin. Tau ganding bogi, ragata gana, gin, Gigin. Right? He is, in English, we can, in easy way, we can say one of the. In English, we say one of the, yeah. Kong, Gunpe, Gigin, right? Na. So, what will come na? Hig, right? Kong, because na. Suffix is na here. Kong, gunpe, gigin, shik. What? Then re. Right? Kong, gunpe, gigin, shik, re. He is a monastery's teacher, or let's say he is the monastery teacher. In Tibetan is same. He is the monastery of the monastery. He is the monastery's teacher, or you can say he is the one of the monastery's teacher. Okay, so this Shik, he is a monastery's teacher. He is one of the monastery's teacher. Yeah, Gigin Shigre. Okay, and let's say I have a book. I have a book, right? English. Okay, this way I will right here. Okay, okay. I have a book. Nala tape, right? Nala tape. Now I have a book. Nala tape. What is it? Suffix pa, and always comes this chik, right? Nala tape. Chik. Then, because of La, Ngala Tep Chigye. Right, Ngala Tep Chigye. I have a book. I have a one. I have a I have a book. Yeah, I have a book. Okay. He is one of the good teacher. Let's say he is one of the good student. Kong what? Lotuk salata la naro luba lup parata tashaju tuga tuk kong lotuk best lotuk yapo what without suffix what is always shig, right? Because of without suffix and is the same. Okay, shig kong lotuk yapu shig kong lotuk yapu shig. Yeah, he is one of the good student. Okay, and then the sa. Then sa is what? Let's say this is the cleanest restaurant. This is the cleanest restaurant. The au daki could di, right? This the sakang zang tau zang zang is clean, right? Zang shu is what? Cleanest. If this comes together, zang is clean. If you comes zang shu, then cleanest. This shu, always. If it comes with the noun, then it becomes cleanest. Let's say yakshu. Yag is what? Good, right? If you put shu, yakshu means the best. Yeah, yakshu. And let's say cheshu. Che is big, right? If you say cheshu, biggest. Yeah, if you put shu, it's the zang shu, yak shu. Okay, zang shu means the cleanest. Di sakang zang shu shik. Because sa, last sa is shu, right? Zang shu shik. Re. Okay. This sakang zang shu shik. Re. This is the cleanest restaurant. Okay. Okay, now I will ask one of you to make a sentence. We will make together. I will write here. Okay, tell me one of you can make a sentence. Let's say I will tell you in English. Okay. He is the he is the one of the kind person. Kind person. I will write in Tibetan. Okay. Then you can. Okay. That is quite a big one. Sempa Sempa Sang. That's if you say Sangshu. That's quite big. I'm sorry. Sempa Sangshu means the one of the kindest, let's say. Okay. Now you can say Kong Sempa Sangshu Shik. Shigre, right? He is the kindest person. He's one of the kindest person. Kong Sempa Sangshu Shigre. Yeah. He is a good person. He is a good person. How to say it? Person is me, right? And good is yakpo. Kong Kong mi yakpo. This is the, now there's no suffix, right? It's a actually but no suffix. So what will this particle will be there? Chik, shik, shik. Shik, right? Yeah. Kong mi yakpo shik re is one of the good person. That's he's a good person. And they are the Kiwis monk, let's say. Yeah. Kongso Kibi ki Tawashi. They are the Kiwis monk, yeah. And yeah, so Kongso Kibi Tawashi. Let's say this is a white flower. That's how does it? This is a white flower. The metok. What for this? Yeah, the metok karbushi, yeah. But in Tibetan, when you use this shik, the metocarpore, you can use that. The metocarpore means this is a white flower, right? When you say this, the metocarpore, this is a white flower. But when you use the metocarboshigre means at that time, the metocarboshigre, the metomarboshigre, how to say in English, the metocarboshigre. It's like somebody, those who confuse, just maybe when you use it, the method, this is the one that, this is the one that we need. The metocarboshigre. This is the one, let's say, this is the one, white flowers. Yeah. This is a flower. In English, I think this article is okay, maybe. The metocarboshigre. Okay. So, okay, I think this is not that, how do you say, hard to understand. So, you, in Tibetan, when you say, when you use this, it's not exactly as same as in English. In English, it's very complicated. I know that. When I learned this article, I don't know how to use sometimes. But in Tibetan, you can use metocarboshigre, metokmarboshigre, mi sangboshigre, mi dukjashigre. Yeah, you can use shigdia. Okay. This is a book. The dep chigre. This is a pen. The nyugu shigre. Nyugu shigre. Kong taba shigre. He is a monk. Kong taba shigre. He is a lama. Kong lama shigre. Okay. So shig is that he is one of the Kong KIBI taba shigre. He is one of the KIBI's monk. Kong Jagarwa Shigre. He is one of the Indian. Kong Jagarwa Shigre, yeah. Let's say Kongso, right? Kongso Jagarwa means Indian, right? Jagarwa Shig. Kongso Jagarwa Shigre. They are one of the Indian. Yeah. Yeah. Kongso Jagarwa Shigre. Kong Bebe Lama Shigre. Let's say Kong Bebe Taba. Bebe Taba Shigre. Okay. He is one of the Tibetan monk. Kong pepe chaba shikre. Okay? Kong pepe lama shikre. Kong pepe gigin shikre. Kong pepe lopuk shikre. Yeah? Mostly use shik. Shik and shik is very rare because it only two, right? Only two, only three, right? Three surface. Yeah? Follow this shik. This have a 7. That's why most of this, and if there's no suffix, always use shik. That's why always comes shik, shik, shik. And shik is only one. Only one sa follows, So that's why this two comes very rare. Mostly this comes shik. Okay?
So it always is one of the something, something.
Yeah, this English, I think one of the. This is good, one of the. But at the same time, you can use also a and the if you want to use a and the in English. Sometimes this is a book, right? This is a book, so you can use shik. And if you want to one of the, he is one of the lama. He is one of the student. He is one of the. You can use shik, shik, shik. Yeah.
So if I use in I don't mean one of the. I just want to say
You can.
I mean the shik can also be omitted. Let's say dimeto carbo re and dimeto carbo shikre. It's the same meaning.
There's a little bit dimethocarbo. If there is a let's say many variety of color of maybe let's say pink, there's so many variety of pink colors, right? And if you say dimetho, there's many, some white are very bright white, some are very less white, many variety of white. So you can say this is the one. Yeah, one of the let's say flower. Yes, and this is a white flower. Is the methocarbo means this is a white flower. Yeah, if you say the methocarbo shigre, the methocarbo shigre means that how to say the methocarbo shigre. Almost, yeah, it's almost same actually. Yes, the but a particular flower, we are taking from the methocarbo shigre, dire methocarbo di. So at that time, we are seeing more particular. The methocarbo shigre, let's say the methocarbo shigre, and it means you are particular on that flower. Yeah, if you say the methocarbo means at that time you are just generally saying the methocarbo. Yeah, this all are white flower, but you are specified on that. This is the white flower that I want it. Yeah, the methocarbo shigre. That, and then after the sentence, that's the flower we are going to offer. Methocarbo shigre. You can use that. Something in English like a D,
It's a bit of emphasizing.
Yeah, it's a bit of emphasis. Yes, that's true. It depends on the context, which how to say. Yeah, sometimes it becomes like a n, and sometimes it's more emphasized on the how to say sentence on this particular object. Yes. Okay, so now we have 10 minutes. I will go one. This is very easy one now. Okay, so please you make sentence. You don't think too much whether it is emphasized or not. You just make it. In Tibetan, it's not not like the English and like that. But you just you have to understand the one of the. The mostly it goes with the one of the, but sometimes it depends on the context of your sentence. From the first sentence and second sentence comes together, and then this she give another meaning, like emphasize something. So it depends. Yeah. So this we will go when we make more sentence. At that time, you will understand it.